Go. Okay, very good. Get more. Not that one, the other one. This one.
The egg?
The egg, yeah.
Where's the barcode?
The barcode is here. Okay, very good.
Careful ah.
Wait. This is the barcode. Okay, very good. Yeah.
We already grabbed it. No barcode here.
Okay.
Apple water.
One more. Okay, very good. Not that one. This is already two. Ay, babayaran pa to? Ha? Oh. Okay. Eto pa anak ko. Okay. Next. Yeah, this is the barcode. Okay.
Sir?
Get the barcode here. Okay, very good. Okay, Chloe. Very good, anak. Go ahead. One by one kasi anak ko puno na yung kay Tita Kim. Okay, don't go there and then check the barcode. Ayan, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, 174 na. Okay. 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 Ang barcode dito anak ko yan, oh. Okay. And last one. Last one. Hanapin mo yung barcode. Last one. Dali na. Very good. Okay, wait.